If you have a sweet tooth, watch, check this out. All you gotta do, what's up guys, I'm back at the grocery store. I'm gonna show you some of the items that I use to really curb my hunger. Whenever I get real hungry or even get a sweet tooth, I use these to really knock that out. It's helped me out so much in my fat loss journey, staying lean daily. And I just want to share these with you. Hopefully it helps. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, show me some love. And let me show you some of the items that I use that are so easy and they taste great. Check them out. This right here, this has helped me so much. I don't know who doesn't like root beer, but if you don't, then I don't know what to tell you, because root beer is great. But you got to get this one, the zero sugar, A&W zero sugar root beer. This one, I probably have one of these a day at least, especially in the afternoon time when I'm getting, you know, like a sweet tooth. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll grab me a root beer, grab me like an apple to help out with the sweetness, or like some type of fruit, and then I'll grab like some almonds or something like that, all right? And it really knocks out the hunger and it helps out with the sweet tooth, okay? So this is my number one. If you get any of these, I would recommend this one. If your store has them, find the zero sugar root beer. You have to get these. These are amazing. You will love them. If you have a sweet tooth, watch, check this out. All you gotta do is grab you one of these. All right, I'm always promoting Core Power. They taste great. Chocolate flavor. Mix you one of these with one of these. All right, just mix them up together. You're gonna get you either 26 grams, or if you get the 42 gram of protein, that's fine as well. Mix those two together over like some ice or something like that. I promise you, you will love it. I promise you, especially if you like root beer. All right, so if you like root beer, you like chocolate, you like building muscle, you like protein, put these two together, I promise you, one of the best snacks you can have, okay? So focus on that, get you one of these, and I promise you, it'll take care of a sweet tooth, plus you'll be getting your protein, so it's all good. Okay, my ultimate sweet tooth killer, fat loss hack, I guess you could say. If you're really struggling with, you know, you get those cravings because you've changed your nutrition, you're eating healthier now, you're like, man, I'm still craving this and that. If you're struggling with the sweet tooth and you're eating healthier now, those urges are gonna kick in, all right, where you're gonna be like, man, I need something sweet. Let me show you what you do. If your macros can fit it, and make sure you measure this out. What you're gonna do is you're gonna look for Halo Top light ice cream. Okay, this one is vanilla bean, all right? You get you one serving of this, measure it out. Don't eat this whole container. Measure it out, mix that with one of these. I promise you, it's a root beer float, a healthy root beer float, or healthier root beer float, I guess you could say, okay? Get you one of these, Halo Top, all right? This one's really good with it because it's vanilla bean, so it really comes out tasting like a root beer float, all right? This is like an ultimate hack. You have to try this out, all right? So let me know what you think. If you go try this, I keep this in the freezer, because if you're getting a sweet tooth, especially at, you know, in the evening, you're like, man, I just gotta have something sweet. You don't wanna go grab some junk. You wanna make sure you're getting the right stuff. Halo Top with the A&W root beer is all you need, all right? Plus the carbonation from the root beer, it'll help fill you up, so you'll be kind of full, and you don't have to feel guilty, all right? So let's keep making better decisions. These are some of the tips that I use. These have really helped me on a daily basis. When I get hungry, one thing I like to do is grab a soda, but I gotta make sure it's the right kind. I don't go for a regular Coke, regular Dr. Pepper, Pepsi, whatever your deal is. Find the sugar-free option, the lower calorie option, and it helps to fill you up, okay? So these are just some of the things that I've used for a long time now, and they help on a daily basis. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you have any other suggestions or any other sodas I can try. I'll definitely check them out, but these are some of the options. This is my number one. Get this one. If you don't like root beer, I don't know what to tell you, because it's great. So, and then check out those other two hacks that I told you with the protein, with the ice cream. It'll get you on track, all right? So let's get better, let's keep going. We're gonna get lean, don't you worry about that. We're gonna take care of it. So appreciate you watching, let's go.